Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve an exponential problem in which we have to find the value of a. We are given a raised to power a cube minus 7 to 9 equals to 0. So this can be written as a raised to power a cube equals to 7 to 9, and 7 to 9 can be written as 9 raised to power 3. Now multiply the powers by 3 on both sides. So we get a raised to power a cube bracket 3 equals to 9 raised to power 3 bracket 3. So this can be written as a raised to power 3a cube equals to 9 raised to power 9. So from law of indices we know when a raised to power m bracket n, this can be written as a raised to power m times n equals to a raised to power n bracket m. So here our equation will become a raised to power 3 bracket a raised to power 3 equals to 9 raised to power 9. So on equating we get a cube equals to 9. Now taking cube root on both sides we get a equals to 9 raised to power 1 by 3. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.